All right, today's the day. I'm gonna pull the 20R out of the Chinook and get it ready to swap in the 22R. Alright, well the engine's finally out. Didn't come out as easy as I was hoping, but anyway, it's out. I gouged the valve cover pretty good, so that's cool. Anyway, probably should have removed the transmission to pull it out, so when I go to reinstall it, I'll probably just put the transmission in place and just drop the engine in, but it definitely made quite the mess. So next step, as far as the engine bay is, I'm gonna pressure wash this and kind of clean it up. Well, there it is. It's basically all back together. As you can see, I've repainted and cleaned just about everything that I could. Replaced a bunch of stuff, replaced a bunch of seals and gaskets. The header is just kind of sitting on there at the moment. Just kind of wanted to see what everything looked like when it was all put back together. I'll be removing this before I install it back in the engine. But yeah, pretty much done. Again, I cleaned and painted everything that I could, replaced the water pump. Just about everything that I could do without breaking the engine apart. And I think it turned out pretty good. A lot of the stuff was moved over from the 20R. I did pick up the block-off plate for the rear and the plate for the intake manifold. The 3236 is the same one that was on the 20R, so that's now on here. There's a couple things I still need to do once I get it back in the truck, but it's pretty much ready to go. I even went the extra mile to paint the emblem back here, even though no one will ever see it, but I'm gonna, oh, at least know it's there. Alright, I was having a little bit of difficulty getting the engine in here. I think what I need to do is, so I just need to, I don't know if you can see it, just need to drill out that bottom hole a little bit so it'll fit the 20R motor mounts. So, one of the final pieces of the puzzle